Hi guys, we are on Utopia of the Seas, our first trip on Utopia. We are room 8671.
It has been 4 or 5 years since we've had an inside room. So let's go see and check it out. I do love having the proximity card so you don't have to stick in and swipe it, or you can just put it up against the door.
Ta-da! This is an inside room with no window.
And we'll start as you walk in. Okay, first impressions, a little bit small, but as you probably know, this is the newest ship in the fleet. Everything is crisp and clean in here and really fresh decor. But let's start as soon as you walk in the hallway. You have your closet, and you'll see that you've got 2 bars in this closet, so you can absolutely hang up a lot of clothes double-decked in here. As you slide that over, on this side, you have your shelving, and of course, safe for all your valuables if you want to use it, and shelving from top to bottom.
One thing we did notice as soon as we walked in is that you do need to have a stateroom card in here to initially turn on the lights. And then if you open the door, the lights turn off. So it's an eco type of light situation. This is the main room, this is the bathroom. We also have a thermometer here so we can make it cooler or warmer. So in the bathroom, I'm very excited to see them switch it up from the brown and tan tile, both on the floor and on the backsplash. I think that's something unique and different for this newer ship. This ship was launched and opened to the public in July. So this is September 2nd and we're on board. So that's exciting. Never been on a ship this new.
And the shower is I call it the cylinder shower, pretty standard, but good size.
Inside the shower, as is typical, you have your 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash, and I see a clothesline! Yay! Oops, sorry. I see a clothesline. Okay, so when Marshall works out and his clothes are sweaty, when we come back from the pool, we can hang up the pool or the hot tub. We can hang up our wet bathing suits there or his wet workout clothes. There's also 2 hooks here.
Okay, let's leave the bathroom. And as you come in here and you're getting a little bit more into the bedroom area, you'll see you have a dresser, a built-in dresser. Oh, and again, the usual hair dryer. Let's see if there's any other goodies. Just storage right now. Well, that's a good amount of shelves. Another one here. We got the breakfast menu and the breakfast hang tags, which I think we will absolutely use this time. And in here is the cooler. And yeah, good enough for some drinks, some food. It'll work nicely. And a large flat screen TV that actually swings a good deal, because in these rooms, the bed, as you'll see in a moment, is obviously not facing the TV when it's flat against the wall. So that'll come in handy for us if we decide to stay in and connect to Netflix or something like that after the evening. Okay, further down you've got what would either be a desk, a work desk, or a makeup desk. Either one or both for us. It's suitable, and you'll see down below that you have 3 American power plugs and 2 European plugs, which will be terrific for us because we also have the adapters. So even right here, we're going to be fully connected, and 2 regular USB ports. Oh no, one USB-A and 1 USB-C. I'm actually thrilled that they've now had USB-C ports on ships. I was happy a couple years ago when they started throwing some USB-As in, but now to have A's and C's, great way for us to have all our devices connected. It is an inside room, which means a little bit smaller. So we don't have a couch, but we do have a nice comfortable chair. So good place to sit, do some reading, or at least something different than the bed or the typical desk chair over there. All right, let's go take a look over here. Oh, full-length mirror, always helpful before you go out, just to make sure you're presentable. And as we look over here, it's a typical king-size bed pushed together, and each side has a nightstand, again with a full regular American plug, along with a USB-C, another USB-C. So that is awesome. And you do have reading lights below. I bet if we go over to the other side, probably the same. Oh, you get the phone on this side, but behind it again, USB-C and a regular American plug.
You can turn off the room lights from the bed too, because there is this switch that will turn everything off. So that's convenient. Now, the location of this room, 8671, looking at the deck plans of the ship, you can see there are 5 inside rooms where we are, and it is close to one of our favorite places on Oasis class ships, and that is Central Park. So let's show you how close we are to that. We literally just went around the corner from our room, and here we are in Central Park.
So that is our room tour on Utopia of the Seas. We just got on board, and I'm really excited for the next 4 days.
Let's go get our first snack.
You got it.